Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send messages on TikTok. Very easy guys, very simple. All the people who are cool, they will let you send their messages. What I'm saying, for example, let's go up and let's look for someone popular. Let's look for Gary V, okay? Go over here. Gary V is not showing. Wow. Okay, cool. This is Gary V, okay? So you see there is a small section on his profile that says message, okay? This is where you can simply click message and we can send something to Gary. Very easy guys, very simple. Very important note is that you can send up to 3 messages until they reply back to you. Meaning, if you message to someone that doesn't know you, you want to make sure that your messages are very precise and you let them know and you tell them everything that you want to tell them. Otherwise, you might say hi, message number 1, they don't reply. Message number 2, how's it going? This is message number 2, no one replies. And third message might be something generic as well. So this is why you want to make sure that if you have some message to send, if you want to tell them something, you want to make sure that this fits into the first or the second message. So at least you know that when you run out of chances or tries to send messages, at least you know that you sent your message to them. At some point you hope that they're gonna read it, okay? But this is how you send messages on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.